So today, guys, I'm going to be opening some Star Wars Lego, guys. And so we got good Matt. So for good, we got Hoth Trooper, he's common. Force Trooper, common. Galactic Trooper, he's common. We got a 51st Trooper, he's rare. And then we got Ahsoka, ultra rare. And then for bad, we got Imperial Trooper, we got Darth Vader, and then we got a Jump Trooper. Imperial Trooper is rare. Darth Vader's he should be ultra rare. Then Jump Trooper is common, then a Red Trooper is common. So, let's see. I use the same box for my Black Bunny video. And these do not look good. I thought they were going to come in better packaging here. So, yeah. Let's open this guy. This tape is sticking to the tin foil. Why is it in tin foil? Okay, I got the guy out. Okay. So, we got a 51st Trooper here. Get the tape off. Okay, right here we got a 51st Trooper. He's rare, so I don't know how much they're going to be. You see back there, I got some stands for the guys. And yeah. So I put the 51st Trooper there. Let's move this, and I'll put that in the garbage later. Okay. Next one here. Okay, I finally got him out, but it's a Force Trooper, and I don't know where his gun is at. So, let's go to the next one here. Okay, it looks like we have an Imperial Trooper right here. Imperial Trooper. Looks like he is rare. So, yeah, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's see what the next one we got here. We got two right next to each other. Oh, first duplicate. Another Imperial Trooper. Okay, let's go to the next one. Whoa. Can't take his body out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we got a Red Trooper. He is common for these guys. Put him back over here. Let's go to the next one. They're not got any, like, sort of. Oh no. Another duplicate of Red Trooper. As I was saying, we had not got any Jedi yet, or as in Darth Vader. Looks like we got a Hoth Trooper. He looks like he's common. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Okay. Ooh, okay, we have a Jump Trooper. He looks like a Jump Trooper is common here. Little backpack. Okay, and the next one. I moved back so I can show you guys the Lego guys, and let's see what we get next. Ooh, it looks like we have a Galactic Trooper. I don't know. Galactic Trooper right here. He's on the good side here. And let's go to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one here. Yeah, this is sticky tape. Oh no. Okay, so basically, right now we have Darth Vader right here. Darth Vader. And then looks like he's ultra rare. I don't know, but his helmet looks like he looks ultra rare to me, but not that much. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Oh no. We have another Force Trooper. Common. And this time he actually has a gun. So let's go to the next one. Okay, we have two last ones. Which one should I pick? This one here. Oh. I think we have all of the troopers, and they might just be some duplicates who got 51st Trooper. And then this last, I hope this is Ahsoka, this last one. Oh, seeing some lifesavers. This might be Ahsoka. It is. It's Ahsoka. Just by the back, you can already see her. Oh no. This is Ahsoka with the two lifesavers. She usually goes like a little bit of like here, like this maybe. I don't know, but I know she has two lifesavers. And her hairpiece. Oh, her hairpiece is actually kind of cool. We got all 9 troopers, including 2 ultras, Ahsoka and Darth Vader. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.